a lot is going on with the S25 Ultra leaks. We got the first hands-on impression, some confirmed details about how S25 Ultra is bridging the gap with Google and OnePlus, what we can expect in the pricing, and finally the leak regarding the smartphone in the S25 series, which might be the last flagship from Samsung. It is going to be slimmer and lighter than any Samsung S Ultra. With the slimmest bezels, it features a display bigger than the S24 Ultra. Well, you might be concerned about the rounded design and want Samsung's iconic boxy look. The new hands-on video of the S25 Ultra dummy unit has surfaced. Well, these dummy units are for case manufacturers, but it shows how the S25 Ultra might feel in our hands. Its sleek flat side gives the S25 Ultra a more boxy feel than the S24 Ultra, as Samsung ditched the rounded sides with a flat frame, which makes the S25 Ultra a flat boxy look from all four sides. Samsung flagship smartphones have always been a performance beast. Even the latest Pixel 9 Pro XL is not even close to Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 powered S24 Ultra. But when we compare the memory, it's a different story. Google has not been stingy at all in providing RAM upgrades in its Pixel 9 Pro XL. But it's not the first time a smartphone comes with 16 gigs of RAM. Many smartphones like the OnePlus 12 and OnePlus Open had 16 gigs of RAM last year. The upcoming S25 series will also receive a RAM upgrade, and it is confirmed by most reliable leaker when it comes to Samsung flagships. With massively Samsung investing in AI development, extra RAM will surely make the S25 Ultra faster and more future-proof. Base S25 is also getting the upgrades of a Snapdragon chipset, a slimmer profile, and bigger RAM. But after all this, is it going to be the last compact flagship of the S series? According to the latest leak, if you want the compact flagship from Samsung, this might be the last year to buy it, as Samsung is planning to cancel the S26 from the S26 series. It is not official yet, but as Samsung ditched the base Tab S10, Samsung might cancel it too. Coming to the price, well, Samsung already gave the price hike for the S24 Ultra. Samsung recently launched its flagship tablets with MediaTek processors for the very first time, and the rising price of flagship processors has already been a headache for Samsung. According to the latest leak, the latest flagship chipset from Snapdragon costs an extra 20% compared to last generation. There are no official price details of the S25 Ultra out there yet. But with the RAM upgrade, design, and display upgrades, we might see a price hike for the upcoming S25 Ultra. I hope Samsung reduces its profit margins instead of raising prices. But there is surely a high-priced Samsung smartphone coming to gain its dominance in the foldable market, which you can check out here. This is Techtics, signing off for now.